Hey guys, welcome to CreativeSoft, and today we are going to do the speed comparison between the Lux pen drive and the iXpand pen drive, which is available for iPhone, and it's one of the best method of transferring your data from iPhone to external storage. So let's get started. So today we are going to do the speed test comparison between the iXpand Go and the Dual Ultra Lux pen drive. And let me just get started with the physical overview of it. And one is the Type C and another one is the Lightning connector, and both are looking quite similar. And the iXpand Go, if you see the top part, the cap part, it is very flexible, kind of a rubbery material which they have used, and it is sort of durable, I feel so. But as far as the build qualities go, I would say this one is much more better. So if you are buying it purely for the aesthetic reason, this one is much more better pen drive. And if you are having an Android phone, then definitely please skip the other one and get this, and because this is one of the fastest pen drive which are available, and I really like the build quality of this, especially the clicky mechanism it is having. And I've also done the review for this, so please do check out the playlist in the links in the description. And in that particular playlist we have done reviews of many pen drives, and both are looking similar, and they are running on USB 3. So this is the similarity between them, except this is having that rubber kind of cap. And let me show you a close-up of this. So this is how it looks, guys. And basically if you are having an iPhone, then the iXpand Go is the only option for you. Let me just connect both of this particular pen drive, and let us do the speed test comparison for this. As you can see, we have connected both of this particular pen drive, and we are going to use the crystal disk mark. And if you like this kind of videos, guys, please hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel, and please press that bell notification icon to get future updates whenever we upload any new video. And let us just check out if both of them are connected. And as you can see over here, both of them are connected. So we are going to run the crystal disk, and once we run this, the first pen drive, the first window which we have is going to be connected to this, the Lux pen drive, and the second window is definitely connected to the iXpand Go. So I'm going to just fast forward this particular entire windows, and let's check out later on how these things are going. And once we start, it just takes maybe a couple of minutes to get the test result, and both of them are claiming roughly around 150 mbps. Now please note that I have not connected them to the Type C, I've just connected them to the normal USB A, so that might be difference between the performance, etc. But again, most of the people are going to have this Type A USB, besides the people who are using the MacBook, etc., and or Thunderbolt port. So majority of the people are going to use in that particular fashion, so it's worth having the pen drive, doing a test run using the Type A, which is supporting, I think, USB 3. So that's how we are going to test today, and not using the Type C or any other crazy OTG connectors. So I'm having the Thunderbolt connector for this. So this laptop supports a higher speed of Thunderbolt, etc. But as you can see, the read write speed of this, the read speeds are around 40 to 38 mbps. So let us just wait till this gets completed. Again, guys, if you like this kind of videos, please hit that like button and share this particular video with those people who are looking to buy pen drives for their iPhones or Android phones, and this video might be very helpful for them. Share it with your colleagues and friends and families, and let me know in the comments below what you think, and what are the pen drives you all are using presently for data transfer. I feel the iXpand Go, especially on the iOS side, is very fast pen drive, and it's the best way to transfer your files between your iPhone and a pen drive and share it with your Android buddies. And if that is the case, please skip the Lux, because Lux is not going to provide you the features of connecting it to your iPhone. And please note, you need to apply or install a particular app with the help of which you will be able to transfer the data from the SanDisk iXpand Go to the iPhone and vice versa. So I think this test is almost getting over, and it is nice to see. If you see the performance, it is, you know, battling out, and there is hardly 1 or 2 Mbps difference between them. So let's just wait and check out. So I think if you see, the Lux pen drive is almost 38 Mbps, the write speed is 22.23, and here the you know so basically this is a very fast pen drive, which I've already done a review on this. So go and please check out the cards over here which I have mentioned. And surprisingly, the other pen drive, which is this, the iXpand Go, is a very fast pen drive, you know, even by the standards of this Lux pen drive. So which is read speed is around 40 and write speed is around 23.7 MB. Because I'm really impressed, I was not considering the SanDisk iXpand Go to be faster than Lux. So I'm owning all this particular pen drive, guys. So usually for iPhone I'll be using the iXpand Go, and for my Android and mostly for my laptop etc, I'll be using the Lux pen drive because I feel the build quality is better. So again, if you are using this for your sort of a general kind of view where you know, use case scenario or a daily basis, I would definitely suggest to go with the Lux because it is cheaper than the iXpand. Because also check out the link in the description for the pricing on Amazon. So as you can see, it is not much difference, guys, just 2 Mbps and 1 Mbps. So let me know in the comments below which you really like it or not. Again, guys, I hope you enjoyed this particular video as much as we did while creating it. Also, please subscribe to the particular channel and check out this particular cool videos which we have it on our channel. And again, guys, thanks a lot for watching this particular video, and see you in my next video.